Most data centers have some kind of temperature monitoring, but they almost always share the same problem. You see, there's a number on a dashboard somewhere showing the ambient air temperature in the room, and as long as that number looks reasonable, the assumption is that everything is fine. But that number is measured from a single sensor, and it only tells you the average temperature of the air in the room, so it doesn't tell you what's happening inside of your racks. That distinction is where equipment fails. Now, data centers are always designed around airflow. Cold air comes up through the raised floor, travels through the front of the racks, absorbs heat from the equipment, and exits out the back of the hot aisle. When that system is working correctly, everything stays within a safe operating range. But when airflow breaks down, hot exhaust air from the back of one rack recirculates around to the front intake of the next one. That localized heat buildup can push equipment temperatures well above the safe threshold, while the ambient sensor on the wall reads completely normal. So how do you fix it? Well, thankfully, it actually isn't complicated. You want to make sure that you're placing sensors at the locations that actually matter, like at the rack, at the aisle, or near the C-rack unit return, instead of relying on a single point of measurement to represent an entire facility. Now, on top of that, there's actually a module that's made specifically to combat this issue, but most engineers have never heard of it. It's the ICP-USA's DL100SE. It's a compact temperature and humidity data logger designed for exactly this kind of distributed monitoring. It has an IP66 rated enclosure, a built-in LCD display, and PoE support, which means it powers and communicates over a single Ethernet cable with no separate power wiring required. You simply mount it where the risk is, and it immediately starts logging temperature, humidity, and dew point with a timestamp on every record. You can use either Modbus TCP or MQTT for integration into whatever monitoring infrastructure you already have, and you also get real-time data that's accessible through a web browser or the free mobile app from anywhere on the network. So just to recap, one ambient sensor is basically telling you that the room is perfectly fine, but a DL100SE at every rack tells you whether that's actually true. There's a link to the DL100SE in the description below if you want to check it out. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. We cover industrial automation solutions like this one every single week. And if you have absolutely any questions, you can reach out straight to our team at sales@icp-usa.com, or you can simply leave a comment below.